Yes, ma'am.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Still, some of your friends are joining. Can we know your name, from where you have joined?
కంప్యూటర్ స్థాయి ఆన్లైన్ క్లాస్ చక్కగా ఉంటుంది.
Please everyone introduce yourself and your grade levels, okay, so that teachers can have an idea, okay?
My name is Sidiksha, ma'am.
Which grade you are in?
Good afternoon, ma'am. My name is Charvi. I am studying in 6th class from Gautam Model School.
Very good.
Hi, ma'am. My name is M. Ram Prakash from 5th grade. My school name is Vivekananda Vidyaniketan High School.
That's cool. You are in 5th grade, right?
I am from 5th Ravindra Bharati High School.
Okay.
Good afternoon, ma'am. My name is Varsha. I'm studying in 6th grade, Sri Chaitanya School.
Very good. Very nice.
Good.
Who else?
Good afternoon, madam. I am Gaurangi Paragule. I am in 7th standard. I am in IS Katra Vidyalaya, Badlapur.
Oh, okay. Badlapur. Okay. Mm-hmm. Okay. Who else want to introduce? Rohini. Did you introduce yourself, Rohini? I think you
My
are
name is.
on. We can't hear you. You are
Ma'am, my
tall.
name is Pratik.
Oh, thank you. Okay.
Ma'am, my name is Adit.
Rajit? Okay. You
Adit.
both are Ajit. You both are brothers?
Ma'am, his name is ADITH. Adit, ma'am.
ADITH.
Adit.
Adit. Wow. Nice. Mhm. Okay. Anyone else?
Ma'am, my name is Sidiksha. I am 3rd class D section.
3rd class. Okay. We have 3rd class, 5th class, and 7th class, 8th class, 6th class. Right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Fine.
A garden of children from different classes.
Yeah. Glad to see these many classes. Okay. Let me share and quick video I'm going to share. Okay. You all can see my screen, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So here I'm going to just show you what we are going to do this summer. This summer we have some summer programs going on. Okay. And so that you can see what it is exactly, so that you will understand something. Okay. And what we are doing today also I'll tell you later. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Summer is coming, and as parents, we all start thinking about only one thing: how do we keep our children engaged in learning and happy? during the long break. That's exactly why we have started Mathonics 20 hours of summer learning program. A structured, safe, and enriching plan designed to make your child's summer both joyful and productive. We are offering 3 online batches, making it easy for families to choose a convenient schedule. Each batch includes 20 hours of guided learning plus simple home engaging activities that keeps a child meaningfully occupied even beyond class time. Here is what your child will experience: a fun handful of science experiments that pulls curiosity and confidence. 4 different concepts of science with multiple experiments. And math skills like math activities that help children understand and enjoy math during the real world connections. We also offer technology where kids can learn stories, games, and animations with block coding. We also provide yoga, health, and daily habits using meditation, stretching, breathing exercises, and simple routines that supports focus and well-being. We develop communication with presentations, drama, and expression activities that helps children speak clearly and confidently. And finally, as parents, we want our children to learn, grow, and enjoy their summer, not just pass time. This summer is exactly designed for that. So, why waiting? Give your child a meaningful, joyful, and skill building summer with Mathonics. Thank you. Looking forward to see you all this summer. Bye bye.
What if I told you this number means nothing but change everything? If you eat all your chocolates, how many left? You say none. But wait, before zero existed, there was no way to show nothing. Then Indian mathematicians invented zero. Zero made big numbers possible. Without zero, this does not exist. Zero means nothing, but it built everything.
Ma'am, you are on mute, ma'am.
Thank you. Thank you for letting me know. Okay. So what do you guys understand from the videos? You got anything? So can someone tell what you get it from video?
In from the video, we can understand zero means nothing, but there is so much in zero.
Exactly. That's true. Without zero, many things are not possible, right? Yeah. Okay. Very good. And then anything else?
Ma'am, you said about the coding, ma'am.
Exactly. It's called block coding. Okay. This is called
Yes,
block
ma'am.
coding. where you can create animations, stories, and some fun games. Okay, that's like some. It was really when we start with, we can go out from that. We'll spend hours of time to create. Okay, that is kind of fun. Okay, yeah, this is the summer. This summer, we want all kids to have fun instead of study, study, study all the time. We want kids to have fun with the studies. That is our main motive. Okay. Right? Okay, fine. Okay, why we are here today? Why we are here today? We said like one concept, total clarity, right? One concept, total clarity. What is that one concept we said? Order of operations. Okay. So it does mean you all don't know order of operations? How many of you know order of operations here?
Me.
I know, ma'am.
Who else?
Amen.
Very good. Who else know? Almost everyone, right? Maybe like fifth graders, third graders might not be knowing it, but all seventh graders, eighth graders, I know already school might taught you, right? Then still why we are here to learn? So we are not learning. We are not learning here. Remember, we are not learning here.
There's no clarity.
Yeah. We are not here to learn order of operations here. Okay. Who don't know, they will learn for sure. But we are here to have fun with order of operations today. Because that is there in mathematics, right? Okay. Let's remember that order of operations, everyone, and let's have fun. So how do we have fun? How do we have fun here today? Today, what we are going to do is our teachers are going to tell order of operation, explain order of operation in a form of cooked story. Anyone knows what is cooked story means? Cooked story means made up story. Okay, it's not real, but we make one story about it. Okay, that story is not real happened, but we'll make story with operators, with numbers, whatever. Okay, so some pretended story, like a movie story. Okay, we'll make one story while explaining order of operations. And also we will have activity to do with for order of operations. We will also have some fun quiz at the end. Okay, and we will be asking some questions between our stories. So remember, observe carefully all the presentations and also listen story carefully. We'll be having questions in between story as well. Okay, everyone is clear here? Give big thumbs up. Okay, let me see whether our teachers are ready. Mahati ma'am, Arundhati ma'am, are you all set and ready to
Yes.
entertain our kids with fun day today and make them enjoy?
Yes, ma'am. We love to.
Okay, I'll hand over to them. Let's enjoy with your teacher. Story time, fun time, activity time, whatever. Okay? Let's start now. Mahati ma'am, Arundhati ma'am.
Yes, just I'm going to
Yeah.
check the
Thank you, ma'am. Yeah. Yes, children, ma'am is sharing the screen. And in case if you have any sort of queries or if you want to communicate with us, just give it in the chat box. Okay?
Hi, children.
You can message. Yeah.
I think Sridhar ma'am has said you what you are going to do today. Yes?
Oh, sorry to interrupt. Sorry to interrupt. Okay, one quick thing. Because we are all on online. Okay, while teacher is telling, mute yourself when you want to ask a question. Okay, when you are asked, you can put in the chat box, or you can unmute at the time to ask at your question time. Okay, use everyone mute yourself in order to avoid disturbances to others. Okay. Thank you, kids. You are so amazing. I love to see all your faces here.
So today, shall I start the story now? All of you are ready?
Yes, ma'am.
Ready? Yes? So now I'm going to introduce a kingdom, a magical kingdom called Mathland, where numbers and symbols live together. Okay. So, but numbers want to do the calculations. So what they did, they introduced the word about the symbols. Now let us see what are the symbols they introduced to the world. Okay, shall we see what the operators they had introduced and what the symbols they had introduced? See here, first symbol they introduced.
Hi, I'm Addition. I always combine things together.
What is the operator the numbers introduced here?
Addition.
Yes, addition. So what do the addition do?
Addition.
What do the addition do?
Numbers together.
Yes, they combine together things. And also that in the board problems, they will use in all, more, total, sum, etc. So that if you see this kind of words, you can do the addition. Okay, children. What's the next operator? The numbers are introducing us. Let us see.
Hi, I'm Subtraction. I always move away the things.
Wow, sad. Why the subtraction is looking sad? Do you know?
Because it always move the things away.
Yes. So here, minus, take away, less, difference, etc. are used as keywords in the code problem. Okay, next operator coming. Let us see in an excited way. Okay.
Hi, I'm Multiplication. I always multiply things.
So, what did you update here?
It is multiplication. It always multiply the things.
Yes, and what are the terms used for multiplication in word problems?
Times, product,
Correct.
multiply
Yes.
by, groups of, lots of, and addition.
Yes, these are the types, these are the some of the keywords which are used for multiplication. And can you guess what's the next operation which is introduced by the numbers?
Division.
Division.
Division, very good. So division came into the existence now.
Hi, I'm Division. I share everything equally.
So what does the division do?
Share things equally.
Yes, it shares the things equally. And what are the keywords used for that division?
Division. Divide. Divided by each. Average.
Yeah. Also, can you guess the next one? What's the operator? Anyone else? Can anyone guess? Okay, it's a surprise for us. What the numbers are going to introduce us. Let's see. Next one.
Hi, I'm Exponent, and I always multiply things by themselves.
Got it, everyone? What is this?
Exponent.
Exponent. What is meant by exponent?
Multiply things by five.
A number is multiplied repeatedly. Yes, very good. So if a number is repeated, multiplied repeatedly, it is called exponent. If 2 power 3 is there, 2 is multiplied 3 times. Did you understand now? So these are the keywords which are used: power, index, indices, degree. Okay, numbers all introduce the operators to the world now. Now let us have a little quiz upon this. Let us little poll here, quick poll. Okay, let us answer. How many of you can answer? Let us see.
Yes, children. Ma'am, can you please share the next slide, please?
Yes.
So now we also heard your exciting voice too. I think many of you are using mobiles, right?
Yes,
We are
ma'am.
using mobile. Okay, okay. We are going to launch a poll. A poll in the sense it is related to the keywords which just we heard and you also gave in your excited voice. So when we are going to launch the poll, what you have to do is, the first easy most is once poll is launched, a sentence will pop up on your screen. You can directly touch the poll and it will directly take you to the poll. Or else, as you can see in the screen, left side top, you can see the same design as it is on your screen. You can see 3 dots on your screen, right? 3 dots on your mobile screen. When you click the 3 dots, you will get other screen as shown on the screen. You have to touch tools, and when you touch tools, you will get polls. There you are going to get one of the question where you have to respond a statement. Is anyone using laptop or a desktop? Is anyone using laptop? Okay. Okay, then. For laptop too, you can see on the screen right side. So on your screen, you can find 9 dots. 9 dots. When you click the 9 dots, then you can see polls. You have to test the poll and you will get the statement. So are you ready? Shall we launch the poll? Yeah, just first poll is being launched.
Ma'am, it's not coming.
Yeah, you can see now again. One of the poll is launched.
Ma'am,
Read
it's
the
not
statement.
coming.
Yeah, once you come back, is it the mobile or it is a laptop? What device you are using? Laptop. Okay, laptop. Below you can find, end right bottom, 9 dots. Can you see the 9 dots?
No, ma'am, only 3 dots.
Then it is okay. Touch the, no, not 3 dots. Go to the extreme end, not 3 dots. Extreme end.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. Touch that. You can find polls.
Yes.
Yeah. First poll. You will have 3 different polls.
Ma'am, it is not coming.
Okay. So we can you please let me know, is it a mobile or a desktop? If it is mobile, you need to go from 3 dots. If it is a laptop or desktop, you need to go with 9 dots. Yeah, I got one go. Yes, one of them. Good. We can see 6 of them have polled. Sorry, yes, ma'am.
Yeah, please check the notification that the host has started the poll, and I think.
So yes, good. For the first poll, only 6 of you have responded. Second, 5. Third, 4. Still the poll is on. If still you are struggling, you can let us know. I think we are nearly 15 of us. 15 of us are present.
I hope everyone can reach up to poll, right? Anyone
Yes.
struggling still?
Yeah, please let us know. Still the poll is not moving. Only 6 of them have responded.
Yeah, laptops will have 9 dots. There you can see the poll. Cell phone will have 3 dots. Nine dots at the very right corner. You can see lock symbol, chat window, 9 dots. And for the cell phone, you will see 3 dots.
Yes, ma'am, it is coming.
Yeah, good. 7 responses for the first. It's increasing. As we are going on, you can ask your query. If you are still struggling,
Yeah, let us know if you still can't reach pole. Anyone?
yeah, the one who all have completed, can you just raise the hand? Because we can see that the 2 or 3 of them, yeah, good. Rohini, Priyadarshini, yes, both of them, good. Because 2 or 3 of them are using a single device, we may get only a single response. Yes, Anita? Good. Devi and Reddy. Vijay Lakshmi. Great going. So anyone else having a difficulty to reach there or to respond? Only 10 more seconds. Countdown starts. We'll be ending the poll and we'll check the results. All of us together, count down. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, end the poll. So, okay, let us see the results. For the first poll, as we can see the question, like the first statement was 5 times the number 3 added to 7. So for times, what is the operation we use? Multiplication. Good. All of them, 100% right. All of them have given the right response. The second one was out of 15 apples, 5 were rotten. How many were left? So for left, the operation is? Subtraction. Excellent. Only one of them was unable to understand the keyword. Here left in the sense it is remaining. One of the keyword for is remaining is left, minus. It is moved away, right? So we use it as subtraction, not the division. And finally, the operation used for quotient. What is the quotient of 9 and 5?
Division.
Excellent. 100% right. All of them have given the 100%. And round of applause for all of you. All of you, great, great job. So good. So we'll move further. We'll continue with our story, our cooked story. Where did we leave? Can anyone help me? We were moving on with the story. We stopped at one place. What is that place?
Exponent.
Yeah, exponent. Right, right. Only exponent. We have seen different operators getting introduced, right? So we have seen addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, exponents, all of them got introduced in that math line. But the problem started with is, each one of them want to be first in operation. I want to be operated first. And that way they started fighting among themselves. Let us see how they are fighting here. Each one of them, all the operators are fighting among themselves. Me first. I need to be get operated, not you. This way there was a great fight among themselves. What is the result if we fight in this way?
No result.
No result. Finally, what we are going to know in the sense? Nil. Destroy. Can you see, is it beautiful on the screen? The screen which we are seeing the numbers and all, are they beautiful to look at?
No.
No. They are fighting among themselves, destroying themselves. The result is collapse. Nothing is going to remain. At such a point, the queen of the math land entered. She entered and was saying, yeah.
Greetings. To maintain balance in the mathematical realm, we must respect the order of operation. Parentheses.
Yeah. The princess, she entered and she was saying that we need to maintain the balance. Just like we maintain the balance here in an ecosystem, you might have heard. Having the balance of all the living things, say animals, plants, and ourselves, human being. The same way, in order to maintain the balance, she has ordered that we need to follow an order. So let us see what is the order. So accordingly, brackets were introduced to follow the orders. That is the first thing which we need to go with. As we can see the number of brackets here, the first bracket, a smallest bracket that needs to be solved is vinculum, bar. A vinculum where we solve the things first, next followed by the small brackets. We also call it as parenthesis. The small brackets, which is followed by flower brackets or curly brackets. And finally, the square brackets. As we can see here, 4 different symbols, vinculum, small brackets, flower brackets, square brackets. Internationally, we have one more bracket, that is modulus. Modulus, which brings out the signless value. So here the bracket said that it is going to follow. That is, whenever we go with any sort of operation, we must start from the brackets. The expressions which are within it, it must be calculated first. So let us see how happy the numbers are again. So in this way, the Queen has said that we should avoid the confusion. No confusion if we are going to follow these things. So each one of them in the math land must follow the order of operations. So that became the law. And according to the law, the first thing to be solved is, what is the operation we need to solve first as texted? Brackets. Yes, brackets. And in brackets, we have seen different brackets. What are those?
Vinculum, small brackets, flower brackets, and square brackets.
Excellent. Vinculum, small bracket, flower, and square bracket. And next, going to the orders or exponents, followed by multiplication and division. In general, we go with division and multiplication. But when both of them come together, again to avoid the conflict, we move from left to right. The same way goes with the addition and subtraction. So anyone, can you say the acronym for these things? Brackets, order, division, multiplication, addition, and subtraction. We call it as BODMAS. BODMAS. And the same way, it is just like a funny and lifelong remembrance. Do you remember the rhyme Twinkle, Twinkle, Little Star?
Yes, ma'am.
Do you remember? Yeah. Did you by heart or are you going with a tune? With the tune we used to remember, right? Twinkle, twinkle, little star. And again, 1, 2, buckle my shoe. 3, 4. Do you remember? Yeah, the same way we can also make it like, just for fun's sake, we have done 2 of them, like buddies and besties. For B, buddies goes with the male, besties goes with the female. So they often do mathematics after school. And next, the foodies who love food. That we have made it as butter on dosa makes all satisfied. I can see smile on Anita because, yes, Uppalu, Vijayalakshmi too. So I think you love dosa. So the same way, whenever you find difficult with identifying or memorizing such terms, you can take a word, a letter, first letter from that word, and you can frame among yourself. You have periodic table and also many other such type. It is too long to remember. You can use this, make it as an acronym, or you can make it as this. Like a solar system also, you have order of planets. My very educated mother served me in just 7 plates. So accordingly, you can identify which planet comes first and which is followed by the other. So after passing this, you can see how happy the numbers are. Slowly, they accepted the Queen's order, and now they are ready to get operated one after
I have to
the
be solved
other.
first. Next is my turn. Then multiply these. Add them together. And finally subtract.
See how happy they are? Right. So moving to
I
the
have
next,
to be
we
solved
can
first.
see,
Next is my turn. Then
see how
These are our grouping symbols: parentheses, brackets, and braces. Remember, you must always solve everything inside the grouping symbol.
So you can remember this and you can continue following with the brackets followed by the other numbers. So yes, let us go with one more activity. Hope all of you are having a paper and pen with you. Are you all having a paper and pen?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. We are
Okay. Anyone,
Ma'am, your voice is
if anyone
not.
missing paper, please
yeah, you
wait
can
few minutes and get the paper and pen.
see the question here. Please to give your response in the chat box. I'm texting the
Ma'am, your
same in the
voice
chat
is
box.
breaking, ma'am.
Voice is
Ma'am,
breaking.
your
Okay,
voice
Madhi ma'am is going to take this.
If
Yeah,
any,
Madhi ma'am, please.
Ma'am, your voice is breaking.
Yes. Yeah, is it clear now?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, thank you.
Chinda,
So I think you can
all
see
of
the
them
question,
able to
right?
see the question here? 1 minute, just a minute.
Are you ready with your paper and pen?
Yes, ma'am.
Good. So start taking the question. You can see it on the screen. It's still great visible.
I think, yeah, now it is.
Okay, it is also texted in the chat box. Don't reply the answer. Text it in the chat box. Don't say the answer. Please do text in the chat box. Yeah, this is just for fun, ma. No need to have tension. Just for fun. Let us see how we are going on learning.
Just for fun, Kannan. Just observe what the answers are going to come for you. Are you able to see the question clearly? Everyone else? Is there any problem?
No, ma'am.
Is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Again, if it is not clear, I have written the question on the test subject. Whatever the answer you get, no problem. You can chat it now. Everyone else can chat it.
We
No
got
problem.
one response.
That's one batch here. I can chat the answer.
So please don't say the answer. Don't say the number aloud. Just give in the chat box.
No problem. Whatever the answer comes, let it be.
And as in device, 2 or 3 of you are seated, you can write your name and give your answer. Don't give your brother or sister's answer. Okay.
over. Let's count the numbers. Means only 1 minute is left over. So 50 seconds. Forty seconds. 30 seconds. 20 seconds. So countdown starts. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, finish. Now just observe how many of you got the answers. All of you have done the problem?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Everyone got the answer? Okay, now let us see the correct answer. Okay, here we are going to show. So first, what the operation we have to do it here? Without operation, I am just doing it. Without operation, what happens? I think so many of you got different answers, or all of you got the same answer.
Yeah, we got one different answer. Only
You got one.
5 of them have responded. Only
Yes.
5 of them have responded. And of that, one is a bit different answer. No issues. We are just seeing why we are using the order.
Why we are using the operator. Now, observe here, without operator, all of you may be getting confused. So, what operation we have to do it first? So, some may get 2, some may get 7, some may get 6. Isn't it, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, everyone didn't get the same answer. Yes,
Yes, ma'am.
now let us do the correct by using the order. Let us do it. First, what the operation we have to do it here?
BODMAS.
God here brackets are not present. Just observe
BODMAS.
operators. First, in these operators, what are the operators present here? Operators. What are the operators?
Subtraction, addition, multiplication, division, division.
Yes. Addition, subtraction, division,
Division.
Here, what the operation we have to do it first?
Division.
Division. First, let us do the division because division has to be done first. So 16 minus 4 divided by 2 is what? What is 4 divided by 2? 2. Very good. 2 into operation comes after division. Isn't it? So 2 into 5 plus, again see a division has come up. 14 divided by 7. What is answer? 2. Very good. 2 minus 7. Yes? Now, what's the next operation had to be done here?
Multiplication.
Multiplication. So, what is the multiplication where it is present here?
2 into 5.
2 into 5. So, 16 minus 2 into 5 is
10.
10 minus 10 plus 2 minus 7. Next, what is the operation we have to do here?
Addition.
Addition. So, what are the addition terms here? 16 plus 2, which is 18. 18 minus 10 minus 7. Yes? 18 minus 10 is?
8.
8. Minus 7, which is equal to 1.
1.
Okay. So, this is a universal answer. Means if we follow the order, this is a universal answer we get it. But if we don't follow the order, if I do, someone will do 16 minus 4. Okay, 1 divided by 2 5 are 10. Means whatever they wish. Sometimes they do 14 divided by 7, 2 minus 7. This answer comes differently. Someone may do first 5 plus 14. 4 divided by 2, 16 minus. Isn't it? If the operators change according to their wish, then what happens to this or to this number? It changes. Yes? Understood here? So here I had done a order, but now what I am going to do? I am going to do first 16 minus 4 and without doing the operation. I am not following the order of operation now. Okay? I am doing according to my wish. So I am doing 16 minus 4, 12. 2 5s are 10 divided by 10. Next, 14 divided by 7. 2 plus 2 minus 7 I have kept here. Now I am doing, okay, 12 plus 2, 14. Divided by 10 minus 7. Am I getting correct answer here?
No, ma'am.
Okay, here I got the different term. Now I am going to the other way. I am going to do first 4 plus 14 means 19. Next 7 minus 7 I am going to do divided by 1. 7 minus 7 is 0. Okay, 4 divided by 2 I am going to do minus 2 plus 60 here. Is it not the different answer?
Yes, ma'am.
So, if you change the order of operation, means if there is no order of operations, what happens? We'll be getting the different answers for each and every person according to the availability they take it. Isn't it? So, order of operations was introduced because to make the answers universal, to avoid the confusion among it, and to make the maths very plain. Okay? See here, already it was given here. So what happens here? Without rules, what would happen? Different answers, results are wrong.
Wrong.
So when the order of operations are introduced, what happens here? It keeps answers correct. It avoids confusion.
It makes sense.
Logical. Okay, children, all of you are understood now here? Why the operation, order of operations are important to us?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, now let us solve some of the problems here which were given by using the order of operation. And I am going to say you just observe clearly. Okay, children?
Okay, ma'am.
Yes. So here, the first problem is...
They don't.
I'm going to write it clearly up to 11. Plus here I'm reading the brackets also so that it will be easy for you to understand. 11 plus square brackets open, flower brackets open, 17 minus 10 divided by 5 minus, and here bracket is closed and the flower brackets is also closed, and minus small brackets open 6 divided by 2 and small brackets close and square brackets close divided by 4. All of you are able to see the question clearly now?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, now let us solve this. So first, what we have to do?
Division. Division.
Division. Why? If brackets are given, first we have to solve the numbers which are present in the brackets. Did you understand? And that brackets is small brackets. First you have to solve what? The numbers that are present inside the small brackets. Okay? So now let us see here. 11 plus, so square brackets open and flower brackets open, 17 minus, yes, small brackets. What is the small bracket operation is present? 10 divided by
5.
5, which is equal to
2.
2. Very good. So 2. So now I am going to close the flower bracket and now coming for 6 divided by 2.
3.
Yes. I am going to close the square bracket also divided by 4. Okay. Equal to 11 plus. Now solve the numbers which are present inside the curved brackets. Okay, or flower brackets. So now 17 minus 2 is what?
14.
15. 15. So 15 minus 3. Close the square brackets, divided by 4. So yes, see, divide by is present here, but we are not using it. Since first we have to solve the numbers that are present inside the brackets.
Okay.
Did you understand, children? After that only we have to come to that. Okay, now coming for 11 plus 15 minus 3 is what?
12.
12.
12.
Divided by 4. Now what the operation we have to do here?
Division.
Division. 12 divided by 4. Yes, very good. 11 plus 12 divided by 4 is 3, which is equal to 14. Yes. Rohini Priyadarshan, very good. You have done a good thing. Okay. So all of you understood here how to deal? First, what we have to solve? The numbers that are present inside the small brackets, followed by flower brackets, followed by square brackets. Okay? Okay, clear children, everyone? Any doubt?
No, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
No? Yes, everyone clear? If you have any doubt, you can just again come to me.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, now let us see the next problem. So what is the next problem given here? 9. Sorry. Shall we change the ink pen? 9 minus flower bracket. This is what bracket? Flower or anything else? What is the bracket called? See here, kept like this. What is this bracket? Square bracket. Very good. 8 plus. Now I'm going to keep the flower bracket. That is a third bracket. 121 divided by 11 minus 5 square minus 3 square divided by 5. Okay, close the square bracket. Now 9 minus, open the square bracket. Now what the operation we have to do here, children? Everyone else?
Division.
Yes, here division, because it is present in the small bracket. Okay, open the third bracket. 121 divided by 11 is?
11.
11. Very good. 11 minus, see here, what are the numbers that are present here?
5 square.
Squares. Yes, this is present in the square brackets, the small brackets. So in this small bracket, 5 square means an exponent, is it not? So we have to solve this exponent first. So 5 square is what?
25.
25. 5 into 5. 25.
9.
This square is 3. 9. Very good. So small bracket close, flower bracket close, divided by 5. Okay, square bracket close. Now coming 9 minus 8 plus 11 minus. Now what we have to solve here?
25 minus 9.
Because it is present in the small bracket. So 25 minus 9 is 16. Yes?
Yes, ma'am.
Close the flower bracket, divided by 5.
5.
Okay. Now what you have to solve here? What you have to do here? First, square brackets and flower brackets are present. What do you have to solve here? Yes, you have to solve the numbers that are present in the flower brackets. That is 11 minus 16. Did you understand here? So, 11 minus 16 is what? Anyone can say what is 11 minus 16?
Minus
5, ma'am. Minus 5.
Minus 5. Very good. 16 is having the minus sign. We have to keep the minus 5. Minus 5 divided by
5.
Okay. Now 9 minus 8 I'm taking away from the bracket. So you have to multiply plus into minus. Minus 5 divided by 5. See here, now, so many of you will be getting confused here. Some of them will be doing without, if there is no order of operation, they will be doing 8 minus 5 divided by 5. But if we follow the order, what we have to come first here?
Division.
Ma'am, 5 divided by 5, which is equal to -1, ma'am.
Yes, very good. So, 8, you can keep the minus symbol like this. Just you can do 5 divided by 5, which is equal to 1. So, 8 minus 1, which is equal to 9 minus, remove 8 minus 1 is 7, remove it. So, answer is 2. Got it, everyone, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Got any doubt?
No, ma'am.
No? Okay. Now, let's go for the next problem. So, next problem, will you say how to do it? It's a word problem. You say, I'll be writing it. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Just observe here. If I spend 3 packs of balloons, 20 rupees each. So, how do you write? If I spend 3 packs of balloons, 20 rupees each.
20 into 3.
20 into
3.
3. Very good. So, you have to write 20 into 3. Let us keep the small bracket. 20 into 3. Next, 2 cakes, 150 rupees each.
2 into 150.
2 into 150.
2 into 150. So, 2 into
150.
150. Okay, very good. Next, what is given here? 50 rupees for decoration.
Decorations.
So, just you are going to write only 50, isn't it? So, what the question is asked? I gave 500 rupees to the shopkeeper. How much money I had given? 500. So, money returned is, how much money did I get after giving it? What you have to do?
60.
What you have to do? You have to give, means you have given 500 rupees to the shopkeeper. Means 500 rupees you have given shopkeeper. Over. Minus. Means what the items you bought it. Just write it here. Keep the square bracket. So 20 into 3 plus 2 into 150 plus 50. Actually, everyone understood here? You are given 500 rupees to the shopkeeper. And these are the items you bought. Yes? Had any doubt?
No, ma'am.
No? Shall I proceed further?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. 500 minus 20 into 3 is what?
60.
Next, 2 into 150?
300. 300.
Yes. Plus
50.
50. Very good. Now, 500 minus, what's this total thing?
410.
410. Very good, children. So, what's the amount you're going to get back?
90.
90. So, if you are given to the shopkeeper 500 rupees and you bought all the things, what is the amount you're going to get back?
90
rupees. Very good, children. So, now let's go for the next problem. So, what's the given? A child purchased 2 puzzles at rate of 120 rupees each. Means what? What do you have to do here? 2 puzzles.
120 into 2.
Yes, very good. So 2 puzzles cost is 120. Means 120 into 2. Very good. Next, 1 board game at 250 rupees. Means 1. Only he bought 1. At the cost of what? 250. So, plus you can keep it as 1 into 250. Yes? Isn't it?
Yes, ma'am.
And also guess 20% discount. How much he is going to get? Out of all these, he bought it. He got how much discount?
20%.
20%. Percent is nothing but equal to 20 by 100. Isn't it?
Yes, ma'am.
So first you solve this. So 20, it is nothing but equal to 240 plus 250 into 20 by 100. Yes. So which is equal to 490 into 20 by 100. So 0, 0 cancels. Here 0, 0 also gets cancelled. Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
So now what is going to get the discount here? 2 into 49. What is the answer?
98.
Very good. 98 rupees is going to get the discount. Means how much he has to pay here? He had how much amount he has to pay?
98.
So from the total amount he has to take away the 98. That amount he has to pay to the shopkeeper. Okay, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Everyone understood here?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now the other thing, these are the chat questions which you have to answer it. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Now you have to chat this answer. I'm going to
Okay. Children, have your paper and pen once again. Take the question, and the same question is being texted in the chat box too. You can see it in the chat box too. You can see in the screen as well as. You also came along with us with the order of operations. Now you can take your time. Not much time. Within a minute, you need to solve it. So see, check, and text it in the chat box.
Amma.
Yeah, hope you are doing.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, Rohini, Priyadarshini, can I know your names, please? Both look like twins.
No, ma'am. We are brothers.
Brothers. Good to see you. The difference is one is having spectacles and the other not.
yes, ma'am.
So hope all are enjoying this. Just like you of them already knew that you have learned this, and we are going to break the summer hot. Yeah, okay. Ma'am, you have to. Yes, someone else.
Able to see.
So here, everyone got the
Yeah,
answer?
first one. Yeah, question is given. See that question. So only two of them have. No, not that, ma'am. Not that, ma'am. The previous slide.
I'm good. Yes, it's not good.
Only three of them have answered. Brothers from Rohini, Priyadarshini, Screen, and Vijay Lakshmi has answered. You are waiting for rest of the answers. This is a small one.
Just after you. But teacher are going to give some more time. Ma'am?
No, just a minute, ma'am. That and that's two sums are there. Just a minute, please give them time. Yeah.
1 minute time.
Yeah. So the one who has already completed. "20 more seconds so that we can do one, and we have two more activities to play." Yeah, okay, two different. I think you could have given the name. One of them have answered as 0, who gave the answer, and the other one who has given the other answer. If you can text the name, we can find it out. Okay. Oh my God. Are you following the order?
Yes, ma'am.
Order of operation. Okay. Both of you solved together with two different answers.
No, ma'am.
Okay.
I'm 46. I'm 46 is the answer for the first one, and no, second one. Second one,
Okay,
and the first
wait.
one, the answer
Okay.
is 0.
Okay, you need to give that now because in chat box we gave only the first one. So I too got the confused of which is the answer for what. Okay, the
Ma'am,
second
both,
one too is texted there.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, first and second. Okay, good. Okay, -2 is left. Please do ignore the first one which is being given. I think I skipped -2 as per given in the screen. So the second one which is given is the right one. 6 bracket 15 minus 70 plus small bracket 9 plus 4 minus 3. Closing all the brackets -2. So yes, 10 more seconds, because still you are going to have, I don't know how many, at least have you come across those games or not? It's going to be fun. So yes, we are waiting. Yes, for the second one too, Vijayalakshmi has answered.
Ma'am, 46.
Yes, you have texted. And yes, one more has answered. But yeah, you can give in the chat box, Ma. We can find out how many of them are answering. It will be and helpful for us to identifying who is answering. Yeah, Prachi, Anita. Good. Prachi has given for the first test. That's the way we have to give first question and the result. Then it will be easy for us to identify what is the result for which question. The same need to be followed in our examination too. So yes. Yeah, Prachi, you have answered twice. The same for one. Okay, shall we start the countdown? Because one more, as a time, we have to go with the time too. Yeah, second one, 36. I think 4, 5 of them have as answered. Okay, let us look into the first one. The first is 9 into 4 plus 3 into 14 plus 7 minus 42. Sorry, 14 by 7. So first operation is by. 14 by 7 gives 2. So the next operation we go is 3 into 2. Yeah, you can come along with me, children. 3 2s make 6. Next operation is 9 into 4.
36.
Yeah, 36 plus 6 makes 42. 42 minus 42
0.
is 0. Very good. So congrats to all the one who has given good. Next is when we go with the brackets. First bracket to be solved is, yeah, good. That's appreciation also. Yeah, the first thing which we have to do is the operation which is within the, yes, please. Sorry?
3. I mean, it is 13 minus 3, ma'am.
Okay, 13 minus 3, sorry, I forgot. 13 minus 3, which gives?
10.
10, very good. So we have solved the small bracket, 10. 70 by 10.
7.
7. So we have completed our calculation which is within the curly bracket. Right. So 6 minus 15, sorry, 6 bracket 15 minus 7. And the bracket closing minus 2. Right?
Yes, ma'am.
So 6, 15 minus 7 gives?
8.
8 minus 2. So 6 8s makes? 6 8s makes?
48.
48 minus 2.
46.
46. Good. So I think the one who are unable to get the right one, we need to follow the order of operation. Then it will be easy for us to get the right result. Very good. Round of applause to all the one who has answered. Right or wrong is the other way. We have learned the way to answer. Good. So now let us go to the activity. Time for activities. So here in this activity, you can see a small house. A small house. I think this also you can do it. Depending on the time constraint, we will just a bit rush up because you have to play by yourself. One more a gamification quiz is we are going to have that. So here you can see a house. On house, what is texted? What all can you
Numbers.
see in the shape? Yeah, numbers. Very good. So number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 is given. And below something is texted. What is that?
Red, bracket red, multiplication green, exponent blue,
Hmm.
Purple.
Right.
Yellow.
and subtraction pink.
Good, good. Smart children, smart children. Very good. So, okay, I won't tell the next sentence. Can anyone guess or say how are we going to connect or link with the picture and the text which is written down? What we have to do? Any guess?
అర్థం అవ్వట్లేదు
Addam
connection.
kavatలేదు. Oh, okay, okay. Let me move outside. A signal problem, I hope so. Okay, what I was saying is, you can see the numbers on the house, 1, 2, 3, 4, it is texted in different places. And below you can see red, green, blue, purple, yellow, pink with different symbols. Here what you have to do is, you can just draw the picture and later also you can do. What is the first order? What order of operation comes first from the text which is given below? That needs to be filled there. So what is the first
Bracket.
operation?
Bracket red.
Brackets. Very good. Red. Which color? Yeah, very good. Red. Next one.
Into green.
Into green.
Second operation, look down. What is the one we do after bracket? It is exponents. Order. Exponents blue. BODMAS na bracket, order, then goes with the division. So division is the third place, that is purple. Fourth will be green multiplication. And sorry, I think I am wrong. I did something mistake and all the smart children are following me. You should give out your voice if even the teacher, elder, whoever goes wrong. So what is the mistake I did? Children?
Ma'am, you missed yellow.
Yeah, very good. Who's that who answered? Thank you. You should raise out the voice, ma. When you feel that it is what other is saying is right, you need to raise at least for the query. Isn't it? You should not blindly follow with whatever said by others. So the first operation to be done is vinculum, that is yellow. As I am also not able to, I'm using mobile and I also was not able to observe that color. First goes with vinculum, followed by small bracket, exponent, purple, green,
and pink.
Pink. Now, teacher, madam, previous slide, please. Just to say here, you can click the link, ma'am. You can see the cat is doing the activity. We have seen in the summer ad first. Ma'am was saying about scratch coding. This is it. See here. First goes with vernacular. Next
The
going with the
bracket,
next
exponent,
right,
division,
right,
multiplication, and
good,
subtraction.
very good. So this is what we call it as a scratch coding. I mean, code with help, where there is a lot of where you can learn also. So yes, this is one of the activity which I have gone. Now let us go with one more gamified quiz. Gamified quiz. So you can see here, it is Kahoot. How many of you have heard about Kahoot? Have anyone heard about Kahoot?
No, ma'am.
Okay. We are giving a link of Kahoot here. What you will do is just touch the link. This is a basic level related to the order of operation. As many of you are very fast and good now, just click the link, go, try to respond. There you will get generated nicknames. Generated nicknames. You can click, start the quiz, response to the statements which is being produced in that Kahoot. You can continue like we will be speaking something or other. Then you will be able to listen our voice also. No need to get panic that you are out of screen. So this is directly taking you to the Kahoot quiz, basic level. If anyone find any sort of difficulty, please let us know. So yes, hope you have started answering it. Entered it. Once you complete the basic level, you can come back here and you can go with the intermediate level. 2 links are being given here. Are you able to join? You can give out your voice. We can listen you. Yes, children. Am I audible? Hello?
Yes, ma'am, you are audible.
Oh, ma'am. Thank you.
Maybe Kahoot music might be coming to them.
Ha. So yes, great. 3 have already answered. As it is nickname, we can't identify who has answered. The one who has done with it, you can come back. You can go with our the other level. I think it may take bit time for you to solve. The other level link is also provided in the chat box. Hope you are enjoying.
Yeah, who are new to this order of operations, just do the basic level. You no need to rush to intermediate level, okay? There is no rush at all.
Yeah, we will share the link to you. You can also do it with leisure, with fun later. The quiz will be open till tomorrow. You can do it in your own pace. Yeah, great going.
Ma'am, if we completed the first level, then join the second level, ma'am.
Yeah, you can. If you are interested, you can, or else we will share the link. You can do it later too. It's up to
Okay,
you.
ma'am.
If you want to wait for your friends, then you can also just have a trip and come back. Good, 5 more have attended. So hope you are enjoying. Yeah. Wow, 7 of them. Good. So if you are, you can copy the link and have with you, or else you can also we will also share it later. You can do it later too. Yeah, is any child here online? Because only I think I am speaking to myself. Good. 3 of them have completed intermediate level 2. You have given your name good. Who is Thunderbird? Good.
Ma'am, it's me.
Wow. Can I know your name, please? Yours and brothers. I think I missed due to signal problem. I missed your intro first.
Ma'am, my name is Pradeep and his name is Aditram.
Pradeep and
Aditram.
Adit. Okay, good. You're from which class?
Ma'am, I'm from 8th and I'm from 6th, ma'am.
6th and 8th. Good. When you have entered into 6th and 8th, you completed your exams as 5th and 7th, right?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Good.
Ma'am, so we can leave now.
Wait, just a minute. Okay, then rest of the children, I hope you are also doing it. Can you please come back? We will share the link with you. We'll share a link with you too also. Once again, if you are interested, you can do it again. So shall we thank each and every operator? They came all way to make us all get engaged, right? So first came Vinikulam. So what is our next? Yeah, children. Hello? Hello.
I think busy in Kahoot.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Let us thank the operators. We are seeing here now. We need to thank for the operator who have engaged us and also they have shown us the path, like to avoid the confusion and results. So first Vinikulam, small bracket, flower bracket. Then let us welcome.
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah, see the screen.
Square bracket.
Exponents came.
Exponent.
Next.
Division.
Yeah, division, multiplication together. Let us welcome them too. Yeah, we have to thank them now.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Next with the multiplication, division, and lastly,
Addition and subtraction.
yeah, very good. So let us thank them all. And dear children, hope parents are here. Yeah, and moving on to the next slide. We have a community, and ma'am, Sridevi ma'am, can you please, ma'am?
Yeah. Actually,
Yeah.
is it okay? Like, if any of your parents interested to know something like about summer club, we are here to answer their questions. Okay. Also, we have a WhatsApp community where we are going to grade level groups will be available in that WhatsApp community where you will get all the updates from us. And also grade wise, if you have any questions or any problems that you are struggling with, you can post in your grade level. So our teachers will happy to answer your questions. Okay. If you are facing any issue in any problems or anything, you can allow to post. So for that, first you have to join to our community. Then you have to be added in our groups. You can add to your grade level group. Is that fine? Okay, if your parents, yeah, so you can inform to them. What we do is we are going to email all these links and also the activity we are going to attach to the email so that you can print it out and you can color it out at your home. Okay, and also Kahoot quizzes will be also be emailed to you today. Okay, so that you can answer until tomorrow. You'll have time to play with it. Okay. Also, we have some feedback form here. We will also email or we will put it on the chat. We are happy if you can give us feedback. Okay. And let me know if any one of you, if any of your parents, anyone has any questions about our summer club. We are happy to answer you today.
Yeah, children, can you also please turn your cams on? We would like to see you all in a screen, and also would like to have a selfie is not possible here. We can have a screenshot here.
Yeah.
Ma'am, can you please change the slide to Mati, ma'am?
Yeah.
So this summer you can have
Everyone
fun.
unmute now. Everyone unmute and everyone on your cameras. Everyone unmute because if we really enjoyed your order of operation day today, and we all have to thank you to the Queen who solved the problem, okay, and gave us order of operations today, right, in our story. Okay, so that's why we will say thank you to the Queen who solved the problem, not getting the big war. Okay, so we'll say thank you to the Queen. Everyone unmute. Everyone unmute. Because the voice should reach to the Queen. Okay. That's why everyone unmute and say very big thank you.
A big thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you, dear
Thank you,
Queen.
Queen. Thank you, dear Queen.
Okay.
Thank you, dear Queen.
Thank you, dear Queen.
Okay. Very good. Very good. Okay. Yeah. That is all about story today. Okay. Yeah.
Have you
Have fun.
taken a
So,
screenshot?
Yes,
Screenshot.
Yeah. We'll
Don't
email
delete your
every
have
details. Yeah. We'll email every details to the registered email address. So if you have any questions, always feel free to ask us. Okay.
Sridhamji,
Thank
have
you.
you taken a screenshot once?
and
Can you take it?
have safe summer, ma. Please don't go under hot summer. Take
Okay.
care of yourself. Have lots of water. And if you want to play only after 5 or 6, once it gets cool, take care of yourself
Okay,
and
ma'am.
enjoy. Have engaging and fruitful vacation.
Thank you, ma'am.
Happy time.
Yeah. I hope
Yeah.
no one has any questions right,
Thank
before we.
you.
Thank
No
you,
questions,
ma'am.
right? We will
Queen,
wait
who
until
had
end. Yeah.
the order of operations. Say thank you, everyone.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay.
Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
And enjoy
We'll
your
wait
summer.
until everyone
Okay,
goes. Any
with
questions, we'll wait.
mangoes.
Okay.
With mangoes. Okay, sweet mangoes. Enjoy this summer.
Mangoes, watermelon, muskmelon, grapes.
Yes.
Have
So
water
what food
content
do you love the
fruits.
most? What food do you love the most?
Mango, ma'am. Mango.
Mango season. We
Mangoes.
have to eat the mangoes in this summer.
Mm.
So enjoy this summer.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Okay.
Thank you.
Okay. Thank you. Bye-bye.
Bye,
Bye.
ma'am.
Bye.
Bye, everyone.
Bye.
Okay, again.